What are you doing with that baby? What are you doing with that baby?
Where's that baby?
Yeah. Who gave you that baby?
So you say Dan?
Yeah.
Sounds like Dan. Where's the other baby?
Where's the other one? Here it is. Do you want the purple baby? Now you have both babies.
I'm going to eat both.
Oh, those are good babies.
Delicious.
You want to put them in their home? You want to put them in their pea pod? Maybe. Oh, it's an exciting toy. All right. Oh, I know. Those are very exciting. We love them.
Oh my gracious.
Oh, his hands. You gonna eat the baby? That's not very nice. We don't eat babies. You don't live in Ireland.
You're not in a job.
Oh, you're having an awful lot of fun with these. What are you going to do with that? You found the other baby? Alright, this is 2 minutes of you playing with the toy that Dan gave you. Clearly it's a success. Can you say thank you?
Thank you, Dan.
Say thank you for my Christmas present.
Say thank you.
It's very much fun. There we go. Say bye-bye.
Bye.